Hi, my name is Carlos Arboleda, and today I talking about global strategy to commercialize and innovation SmartFlex PVT system Solnova Energy. Introduction: the SmartFlex PVT system is a hybrid photovoltaic thermal solar solution with LOT and AE integration. This presentation outlines the global commercialization strategy for the technology. It includes the business model, financing, market selection, marketing strategies, and case analysis. Some objectives general are identified, so it's business models, define financing chains, analyze international markets, design marketing strategies, and apply lessons from success and pilot case. Uh, Business model option one: technology license and regional partner manufacture and distribute the system, revenue through royalties, and rapid expansion with low operation risk. The second option, business model product service system (PSS), sale of PBT hardware, a basic monitoring offered as a subscription, and recurrent revenue and long-term customer engagement. And business model option 3, uh, turning energy solutions, complete installation and maintenance package, higher profitability per project, and requires significant operational capacity and investment. Well, select a business model, a hybrid model, technology license, enables scale international growth, reduce operational cost, and create continuous revenue from software. Finance the strategy, venture capital, funds for manufacturing, access to networks and strategy guidance, government grants and subsidies. Known VLOVTV, crowdfunding increases visibility and marketing validation and creates a user community around the technology. Selected international market, target market, Europe. High adoption of renewable technologies, strong industrial decarbonization incentives, growing demand for hybrid solar systems, and various certifications, GDPR requirements, strong competition. Okay, European regulations, European Green Deals, their decarbonization goals, Renewable Energy Directive, RED 2, renewable energy targets. CE certifications for hardware compliance, GDPR for EOT and AE data management, and opportunities for partnerships with local energy integrators. The marketing strategies, national levels, alliance with industrial parks and agricultural sectors, and promotion as a lot for ISO and LEED certifications. And international level partnerships with European renewable energy integrations, participations in FairSuch and Intersolar Europe, and pilot demonstration projects in Germany and Spain. The case analysis, success case, Tesla Solar Roof, strong differentiated value and integration ecosystem, lesson combine hardware and software for added value. Pilot case Solindray, high protection cost and over depends on subsides. And lesson meant cost, cost efficiency and diversity revenue streams. Uh, Finally, conclusions. The SmartFlex PVT systems show strong global potential. The hybrid business model support sustained expansion. Europa offers ideal conditions for initial international entry. A diversified financial strategy reduce risk, and lesson from past case strengthen the commercialization plan. Thank you.